Welcome back, tech lovers. If you're into compact computing with powerhouse performance, then today's video is just for you. We're talking about the upcoming Apple Mac Mini M5, Apple's next leap in desktop power-packed in a compact form factor. From design rumors to AI-powered macOS Sequoia upgrades, pricing leaks, benchmarks, and the top 10 features you don't want to miss, we're covering it all right now. So buckle up and hit that like button. Evolution of the Mac Mini. Apple first launched the Mac Mini in 2005 as an affordable and compact Mac solution. Over the years, it transformed from Intel-powered basics to Apple Silicon brilliance. The M1 in 2020 marked a new era. It shocked the tech world with incredible performance per watt. M2 improved thermals and graphical capabilities. But in 2025, Apple is reportedly skipping the M3 and heading straight to the M5 for its compact beast, because the M5 is Apple's flagship 3nm chip built on TSMC's N3E node. It brings monumental improvements in energy efficiency, thermal output, and most importantly, AI performance. Refined design and cooling externally. The M5 Mac Mini may not change much, but there are meaningful enhancements. Rumored design upgrades include a slightly taller chassis for better thermal dissipation, upgraded dual-fan cooling replacing the single fan in M2 space, black joined silver and midnight finishes. Refreshed minimalist LED indicator. Apple is focused on internal airflow this time. The vertical clearance allows for better exhaust and component spacing. Thermals are especially important with more powerful silicon, like the M5. Top 10 new features. 1. M5 silicon chip, 3nm, Node 10-core CPU, 6 high-performance, 4 high-efficiency cores, 12 to 14-core. GPU with Metal FX upscaling and ray tracing 32-core neural engine for AI tasks. 2. Up to 32 GB. Unified memory architecture for seamless RAM and GPU use, base 8 GB. Configurable up to 32 GB higher memory bandwidth over 150 GBs. 3. Thunderbolt. 5 ports, blazing fast, 80 gigabits per second speed daisy chain, multiple 6K monitors or support a single 8K 60Hz. Backward compatibility with TB4 and USB 4. 4. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, reduced latency, faster throughput, perfect for game streaming. ProRes file transfers and video calls. 5. Native 8K display support, HDR10, and Dolby Vision, up to 10-bit color depth. Designed for creative professionals. 6. PCIe Gen 5 SSD storage up to 13 GB per second, read speed starting from 256 GB to 4 TB, configurable rapid boot and load times. 7. macOS Sequoia Plus AI features smart spotlight search, writing assistance, code generation, context-aware Siri, Apple Intelligence across apps and workflows. 8. Energy efficient Draw M5 chip uses 35% less energy than M2 desktop-grade power in a green package. 9. Improved thermal management, twin fan system, copper vapor chamber, cooling whisper, quiet operation under load. 10. Eco-friendly build, 100%. Recycled aluminum enclosure, reduced carbon footprint, lead-free. Low-impact components, benchmark and performance, early testing and leaks hint at some serious performance. Geekbench 6, single-core, 3200 multi-core, approximately 17,000 GPU performance, up to 35%. Faster than M2, comparable to RTX 3064, professional tasks, AI throughput, up to 65 trillion. Operations per second for coders, 4K editors, AI devs, and musicians. This device is an unbeatable value. Ports and connectivity. Apple is also loading the M5 Mac Mini with all the right ports for pros. Expected I/O ports for X Thunderbolt 5, USB-C, 2x USB-A 3.21x, HDMI 2.2. With 8K 60GA support, 10 gigabits, Ethernet 3.5mm headphone jack, optional SDXC card reader. This Mac Mini is ready for workstations, media hubs, and production setups. macOS Sequoia AI macOS Sequoia is Apple's most AI-focused OS ever. The M5 chip unlocks the following AI features: Siri 2.0. Now context-aware. Smarter and more proactive iPhone mirroring. Control your iPhone live from your Mac writing tools. AI-generated summaries. Content rewrite, smart mail and notes, auto-replies. Note organization, AI tagging. It turns your Mac Mini into an intelligent assistant. Pricing tiers. Apple is expected to stick to its aggressive desktop pricing. Projected pricing: 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, $599, 16GB. 512GB, $799, 32GB, 1TB, $1,099 M5 Pro variant, $1,299 to $1,499 compared to Mac Studio or a full MacBook Pro. This is budget-friendly without compromising power. Launch timeline. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to launch in October 2025. Announcement during Apple's fall event. Pre-orders same week as the keynote, shipping early to mid-November 2025. It may also debut alongside updated MacBook Pros and a new studio display. That's a wrap on the ultimate breakdown of the Mac Mini M5A desktop that redefines compact computing. Which feature excites you the most? The M5 chip, Thunderbolt 5, macOS Sequoia? Let us know in the comments. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an Apple leak, reveal, or review. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.